In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows step by step. If you want a faster, more private, and more secure internet connection on your PC, Cloudflare Warp is a great free tool to use. I'll walk you through the entire process from downloading the software to getting fully connected in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to your preferred search engine and type in Cloudflare Warp. Press Enter to search. In the search results, look for the official Cloudflare website. You want to make sure you're clicking on the legitimate Cloudflare link to avoid downloading anything from an unofficial source. Typically, it will say something like Cloudflare Warp or 1.1.1.1 by Cloudflare. Click on the official documentation or download page for Warp. Once you're on the Cloudflare website, navigate to the Download section. Look for the Warp client releases. You may see different versions available, but for most users, you'll want to select the stable version. The stable release is the most reliable and is recommended for everyday use on your Windows system. After selecting the stable version, choose the download option for Windows. Make sure you're clicking the correct operating system so you don't accidentally download a version meant for macOS or Linux. As soon as you click the Windows download option, the installer file will begin downloading automatically. Now wait for the download to finish. This usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in your browser's download bar or by opening File Explorer and selecting Downloads from the left-hand menu. Inside the Downloads folder, locate the installer file. It will typically have a name that includes Cloudflare Warp and end with .exe. Double-click on this installer file to begin the installation process. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal step for installing new software. The setup wizard will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. First, click Next if prompted. Then click Install to begin the installation process. The installer will copy the necessary files and configure the application on your system. This should only take a short moment. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup wizard. At this point, Cloudflare Warp is successfully installed on your Windows computer. Next, you'll need to complete the initial setup. After installation, the application may launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it manually by clicking the Start menu, typing Warp, and selecting the Cloudflare Warp app from the results. When the app opens for the first time, you'll see a brief introduction screen explaining what Warp does. Click through the introduction screens to continue. You'll then be asked to accept the privacy policy or terms of service. Take a moment to review the information if you'd like, then click Accept to proceed. Now you'll see the main interface of the Cloudflare Warp application. The design is very simple and clean. In the center of the window, you'll see a large toggle switch. This is the main control for connecting and disconnecting from the Warp network. To enable the connection, simply click the toggle switch. The app will begin connecting to the Cloudflare network. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation that you are connected. Once connected, your internet traffic will be routed through Cloudflare's secure network, helping improve privacy and potentially enhancing performance. And that's it. You've successfully installed and enabled Cloudflare Warp on your Windows PC. Anytime you want to disconnect, just open the app again and click the toggle switch to turn it off. If this video helped you install Cloudflare Warp on Windows, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows tutorials, software guides, and tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.